This is the one cathedral that I really wanted to climb up. Such a different and unique experience for us Singaporeans. Morning. Still feeling a little bit under the weather. But as usual, this is our second and last day in the beautiful Strasbourg. Let's go check out some of their popular spots. Strasbourg. So we are here at another outstanding masterpiece of Gothic art and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For 227 years, up until the 19th century, standing at 147 meters tall, the Cathedral of Notre Dame was the highest building in the whole of the Christian world. One interesting fact is that the cathedral was supposed to have 2 towers, but eventually only the northern one was finished. It's such a pity. Because it's Christmas Day, we didn't get to climb up the 337 steps up to Notre Dame. For some reasons, I don't know why. This is the one cathedral that I really wanted to climb up. Express 5? Yep, thank you.
So it's on Christmas Day, a lot of shops are not open. Then we came McDonald's, so we got this set with a drink, small fries and 2 burgers. It's only for you $5. They call it the Max Smart meal. So y'all can try it. That tastes like a regular cheeseburger, but for the price, cannot complain. This is fillet of fish. The fish fillet, I find it's a bit more crispier. It's not bad, but
There's a Gong Cha in France.
wow. They are taking
So this is a Strasbourg boat trip. We went with the 17-minute city tour, which includes city tour, which includes passing by the Petite France, the Imperial Quarter, as well as the European institutions. They also provide headphones for you to listen to the commentaries.
Bye-bye, you're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I know it might seem just like a very simple boat tour, but it's a very interesting way to find out some of the sad and fascinating stories about Strasbourg. Yeah. Okay, from here it's about a 30-minute walk to our next place.
take a train. I think it's about an hour walk, not 30 minutes.
I mean, just walking past these quiet and beautiful houses and streets is just such a different experience for us Singaporeans.
I wonder if maybe you stay here.
So the Orangerie Park is the oldest and the largest park in the city with more than 26 hectares. It may be quite a walk to get here, but I think it's really worth it if you enjoy taking a stroll like this.
In the next video, we'll be heading to our next city in France to visit our final Christmas market of this series.
We saved the best for the last.
Wow, I think Kuma might have just done it. Crazy beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.
Okay, same old. How about nice music?